Hi everyone, this is C. Shubhi Agarwal and today I'm going to discuss the difference between OD and CC. So what is the difference between cash credit and overdraft? That I will be discussing in this video. So let's start. Number 1. Interest rate is lower as compared to overdraft. So in cash credit, the interest rate is lower as compared to overdraft. But in case of overdraft, the interest rate is comparatively higher. Second is cash credit loan can be availed on hypothecation of stocks and inventory. However, overdraft amount can be availed based on credit history, relationship with the banks, and investments like FDRs, insurance policies, etc. Third point of difference is that cash credit should be availed for business purposes only, whereas an overdraft can be used for any purpose, including business related requirements. Fourth is the loan amount is based on the volume of the stocks and inventory. Now, then an overdraft is based on financial statement and security deposit. So cash credit, the loan amount is based on the volume of the stocks and inventory, and in case of overdraft, the loan amount is based on the financial statements and security deposit. Then comes cash credit does not reduce over time. However, there is a monthly reduction in the case of overdraft. Another difference is to avail the cash credit, a new account needs to be opened. However, to avail overdraft facility, existing account will do. So overdraft facility can be availed on existing account of the applicant, that is account holder. Then cash credit loan can be availed for minimum 1 year. However, overdraft facility can only be availed by account holder of the respective bank and can be availed for shorter tenure like a month or a quarter or maximum of 1 year. So it can be availed for minimum 1 year and it can be availed for a month or a quarter, maximum of 1 year. Cash credit is sanctioned based on the business performance and market situation. However, overdraft is sanctioned on the basis of the financial statements and credit history. Again, cash credit is sanctioned based on the business performance and market situation. However, overdraft is sanctioned based on the financial statements and credit history. Cash credit loan can be availed by individuals, retailers, traders, manufacturers, distributors, companies, partnerships, sole proprietorship, LLPs, etc. However, an overdraft facility can only be availed by account holders of the respective bank. So these are some of the differences which I have discussed regarding cash credit and overdraft. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like the video and click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.